We have been studying the anatomy of our own bodies for thousands of years. After all this time, it wouldn't be unreasonable to expect that we should already have identified all the structures in our bodies. Still, we see headlines in the news talking about newly discovered organs in the human body. So, what's the deal here? First things first, a previously unknown organ was recently identified by scientists, and it might be the biggest organ in the human body discovered so far. Scientists are calling this new organ the interstitium. This structure is a network of fluid-filled compartments which is found just below the skin. Previously, researchers thought the interstitium was simply a layer of dense connective tissue. But a new study shows that the interstitium is actually a network of interconnected spaces filled with fluid in a tight network of collagen bundles. According to experts, these interstitial spaces that contain a meshwork of collagen proteins can shrink and expand, and may serve as shock absorbers protecting the tissue. The new organ was spotted when researchers looked at live human tissue with a new imaging technique known as the probe-based confocal laser endomicroscopy. I know, that's a mouthful. Previous imaging methods have mostly looked at tissue that is already dead and therefore drained of fluid, so the fluid-filled cavities weren't visible. Researchers also believe that the interstitium drains into the lymphatic system and acts as a source of lymph, which is a fluid that moves through the lymphatic system and removes bacteria from tissues. This might help to explain why some cancers that invade the tissue spread into the lymph nodes. So, learning more about the interstitium could allow scientists to develop new tests for cancer.